This is how you can make $20,000 per week using Facebook retargeting ads. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. First of all, Happy New Year Avengers. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create your own Facebook retargeting ads. What are Facebook retargeting ads? How to create your own Facebook retargeting ads and get this kind of results. So how much important is this retargeting ads are? Last month my store combining 3 has made around $100K, and within this 50K or 55K was my profit margin, and among this $20,000 was only from retargeting Facebook ads, guys. So why it is so efficient, guys? As because they have already seen our ad in the past, they know a little bit about us, and they have taken their time from their schedule to come to our website and purchase, but due to some reasons they were not able to purchase from us. The reason might be first the pricing, the second might be they have got some other works. So if we show those persons again with the same video ad with a little bit discount coupon, then they will purchase from us right away, guys. So let's see how to create and start your retargeting ads. So without wasting any time, let's dive into my computer right now. So here we can see we are in our ad manager, guys. So next, this is a dummy account. I'm not sure for showing you how to create the ads and all. First of all, you need to go to your audience sections here, and when we are audience in our audience section, here you can see I have created some audiences earlier. If you haven't seen how I have created my audience, in my previous video I have shown this how I have created this audience. If you haven't seen, then click on this video that is coming in the top of the sections right now. So first of all, in this there is no 95% video base because I don't have any video in my ads right now. So I'll show you, at least I'll give a quick glimpse of about how to create your 95% video lookalikes audience. So once you're in the create audience, you need to go to this video sections and click on this 95% video views, and in this every time I create 180 days, and you should give the name as 95% video views audience at first, and click on the create audience. Once you have done this one, next you should go to create audience again and go for lookalikes audience to create 95% lookalikes audience. Once you are gone in this lookalikes audience, you need to select those lookalikes audience. Here you can see I have already created this 95% lookalikes audience. As I don't have any videos, so I was not able to create, but I have already created that that website visitors 30 days. So within this I'll show you how to create this lookalikes audience. So let me see. At first I'm writing here is 30 days, so it has not come up. So website visitors. For this video I'll be showing you how to create your 95% video lookalikes with website visitors, because I'm not able to create this the 95% video views because I don't have any video in this account, because this is a dummy account. I'm going to show you, that's why I've created this account, guys. So once this has been done, so here we can see I have created I got the 30 days website visitors that I have created earlier. If you haven't seen how I've created the 30 days website visitors audience, then you can click on those my videos that I have given earlier for the Facebook ads. In that I have shown everything in details. You can see this video, guys, first. Okay, next this is done. You can go to select the locations here. You can select, every time select United States, and most important, guys, this should be only 1% works the best, guys. So every time I create only 1%. So once this is been done, here you can see I have created everything lookalikes audience website visitors. But now I'll show you how can you create your website visitors also, because I'm Avenger, you're my Avengers, and I'm Hirak Avenger. So once you are in this store, you can create on this, click on all and create on the website visitors. And once this has been done, you can give the name as website visitors, how many days you want, 30 days or 90 days. Okay, for one more audience I have to create for this retargeting ad is purchase ads. When you are running your Facebook ads for 1 month or more, here you can see in the all visitors sections, if you scroll down, there will one option will come here. It is called purchase, add to cart or something. So you to create this one, but as I am not running any ads and it is not been more than 1 month, or I am not running in this account any ads because it's a dummy account, so I am not able to create. For this one I will be showing you this purchase audience as like this here. After clicking on the all website visitors, the purchase option will come. In that you should select the purchase audience, so your audience will be selected as a purchase. So once this has been done, here you can see the purchase audience will be created. Again I am saying you should create the audience after you start the ads. The option will come in purchase section. You should click on the purchase section. So once this has been done, next we are going to start the retargeting ads, guys. So the retargeting ads will be consisting of two things. First will be 95% video views, but who have seen our 95% of these video views but didn't purchase from us. And second thing will be website visitors who have come to our website but didn't purchase from us. For this we'll always will be choosing out every time conversions. We have started our ads with engagement ads. Now next step, in every part of this next step, we'll create on only conversion ad, because we want sales from our ads to our store. So I'll select the conversions here. So next we should select conversions, and the retargeting ads will be starting with $20 ad, $20 USD. Every time when you are starting with a CBO, and this store and this ads will be retargeting ads will be starting with $20 CBO. So every time you start your retargeting ads, you should start with $20, and in that $20 two ad sets will be there. In the campaign budget it will be $20, and in the ad sets there will be two ad sets. One is from 95% video views who haven't purchased from us, and second will be website visitors who have come to our website but didn't purchase from us. See, I have not set up my account, so you have already seen. So but I think I have done some mistake here. So in the conversion sections I haven't given the name. Okay, so name you should give, because it will help you, because you will run so many ads, you will be confused which ad is doing what thing. So you should be very clear about this. So I will give the name of this ad section as campaign as CBO retargeting. There is campaign budget optimization that always I use from all of my ads. So campaign budget optimization, and I'll start. You can see my ad account has been not set up because it is a dummy account, guys. I have not used any kind of ads in the past. Okay, this has been loading up. So our ads will be like this. Campaign will be naming as CBO. Next is starting as ad sets name. Okay, in that what you should write, I'll write. For my convenience, you can write anything for your convenience. As it is a retargeting, I'll start it as retargeting RT. So this is what I'm doing, and the 95% I will start with 95% video views, but the person who have not purchased from us, 95% video views, no purchase. This is a retargeting at first ad set. And as this is, we are going to run the ads in United States. As I am giving all my ads in United States right now, I'm not going for different countries. I'll start my ads with United States only, so I'll write it as United States. So next, once this has been done, I have chosen those days as 90 days, or you can choose any date. The date which you have chosen you should write in this, because to make yourself comfortable with this. And next thing is conversion event. Conversion event should be always purchase, whatever it may be. It is red, blue, green, whatever is this, but every time this purchase event should be, conversion event should be purchase, because we want purchase in our ads, because we are running the ad to get purchase. So next, once this has been done, we will be scrolling down. Once we are scrolling down, here our work starts. Here we can see in the custom sections. In the custom sections, we'll click on the custom sections, and here you can see different ad sets that have come up. So I don't have any lookalikes for 95% video views, so I'll be showing the lookalikes with website visitors, 1% website visitors, 90 days only. But we have to create the 95% video views lookalikes. I don't have ads, so I'm not able to create the 95% video views. You should create the 95% video views, and then select those ads section in all those lookalikes audience in this, and exclude. That means 95% video views who have not purchased from us, and exclude. We should click on exclude and give purchase audience. Purchase audience will be started after you have run some ads in your store. The purchase option will come down. I have shown earlier. So here you can see Again, I'll show you, this is not the website visitors 90 days. I'll not use lookalikes website visitors. We'll be using only 95% video view lookalike audience. We'll be selecting those 95% video view lookalikes audience here only. Here you can see 1% is there. Every time we'll select 95% video views, but I don't have any 95% lookalikes videos lookalikes audience, so I'll just select 95% lookalikes audience and exclude people purchased from us in the past 90 days. Everyone in this location, okay, this is fine. Next is the age range. I'll start with 25. No, we'll be, as a retargeting ads, we can go a little bit down because Facebook will be optimizing for us. So this will be, age range will be starting from 21 to 65 plus. United States is fine. United States, the country which we want to go to advertise is United States, so United States is pretty fine. We'll untick the expand audience. Every time remember to untick the expand audience, guys. Expand audience should not be ticked, and everything else will be blank here. Nothing is there, nothing is required. I don't do interest targeting, you know, as you know earlier also. So next thing is that placement, guys. We should go for automatic placement. No, we will go for edit placements here, and only as we have earlier, we have run our ads in only Facebook and Instagram feeds. We'll be running our ads in Facebook and Instagram feeds only. So we'll be selecting only Facebook and Instagram ads. So for this we'll go for placement. We'll untick every other thing else, whatever is there, and just we will select only Facebook and Instagram ads. I have selected only, here you can see I have selected only Facebook and Instagram feeds. Retargeting is coming in my mouth extra time. So here you can see Facebook retargeting ads, Facebook and news feeds and Instagram news feeds has been selected. And next I'll remove everything out there that is in this option. There is scrolling down, there is stories, in stream ads, speech, messenger, everything I'll untick. I don't need anything to show my ads in them and spend my money and wasting my money in my ads. I don't need it. I will choose only Facebook and Facebook news feeds and Instagram news feeds. Retargeting ads are very great, guys, and very efficient. So you have to start your retargeting ads after you have started your lookalike audience ads. 2 days after those you have started with your other ads, you should start your retargeting ads, because after you drive some traffic to your store, you should start your retargeting ads. Like for example, website visitors 100 people, if you have come to your website, you should start your retargeting ads. And next, when you scroll down, we can see only 1 day after clicking. For CBO, that has been working for me pretty good. Not 7 day clicking, only 1 day clicking, guys. I every time click on 1 day clicking because I want sales right now. And as it is CBO, my cost of purchase are also not much, and you should select the timings as your convenience here. Always start the ads from the midnight, guys. At around 00, you can see at the night I am starting that, because so that my Facebook will optimize and completely spend our ads properly and give us some profits around for 24 hours. If we start the ads at around 5 o'clock, we will get only very less time. So we should always start with the midnight, so that we can get 24 hours ads will be running, and we can make profit out of it, of our ads. So next is we shall create our ads right now. Here you can see Hirak Avenger has come up. Whatever ads you have in that ads, I have already shown how to make the ads and all. If you haven't seen, first of all go and see that video first, and come back to this video and see this video next. In that I have seen how to write your descriptions, how to give your links, what is the links you should give here. I have already made the video. Go to and scroll and check my video that will be coming that is there in my channel. So once this has been done, we'll click on confirm. Let's say I don't think it will get confirmed, because the reason here is because I haven't set up the ads account right now. So this is just a dummy account I'm showing you guys. Here you can see the link has been not shown up. Okay, let me try once. I'll go with if I remove here Instagram feeds, I want to show you how to start the ads also. But okay, let me try once. If it is not there, I'll probably after some days I'll go to my real account and show you how to do exactly I'm doing, and I'm thinking to do it, but I'll do it very soon. So make sure you stay tuned on my channel and keep on watching my videos. You'll get to know. I'll be certain after some days I'll start making videos on my real account also. So okay, let me see if I can do it right now or not. Okay, we are in my ad account. Your ad may reach. Okay, fine, that's fine. If I click here confirm, I think it will not, but confirm. Okay, I haven't set up my payment gateway also till now. I didn't give my payment cards till now in this ad account, but in my actual account the card is already been there, and this ads are still running right now. So okay, once this is been done, again we'll create one more ad set. That was first off was 95% video views lookalikes, but who have not purchased from our store excluding the purchase. And now one more ad set will be website visitors for 90 days that have come to our website but didn't purchase from us. Who have seen our videos, 95% they will be interested in purchasing from us, and you can understand who have taken their time to come to our website, they will be more interested to purchase from us. So these are the two ads that you should run everywhere for retargeting, for starting your ads. Everything you should start with these two metrics, guys. So same thing will go for website visitors 90 days. Here you can see I have already created the website visitor 90 days. Earlier I have shown how I created in my previous video. So here you can see that video, and else everything remains the same. 21 to 65 plus ads, that's it. So it will be the exact thing, and you can run this ad right now. If you want to see how I make money online, then make sure you click on these two cool videos out right now.